Hello, everyone. Welcome to the week before Christmas break. Yay! So, I just wanted to clarify a few things for you guys. So, I have a couple of videos for this week that I really want you to watch. Um, we have obviously your exam due this week, and then there's an extra credit assignment due this week also. So, if you find yourself done with everything, really focus on working on that extra credit, to bump up your grade. But what I wanted to make sure that you do know is that there are no live sessions this week. So I was mistaken where I thought that we had um, the availability for sessions I'm recording this on Friday, so technically next week or this week when you're going to watch it. But we do not because of the exam schedule and the way it's set up and how you should be focusing on your exams. So I'm going to pause this for just 1 second. Okay, sorry about that. So if you're looking at how exams should go for the fall, you obviously have Monday, you should be working on math, and if you're taking world languages, you're going to be going there in the afternoon. And then English is where I want you to look. You're going to be taking that exam sometime in the morning on Tuesday. So you should set aside some time to start on that. This is what I would like to emphasize to you. If you feel as though you are not ready to take that exam, you have all of Christmas break and you have until here to take exams. I'm not saying that you should wait until then to take exams, but if you absolutely feel like you are not ready to take that test for English right this very second on Tuesday, and you would like to have a little more time to get some of those assignments turned in and focus on that, then obviously take that time. But I do want to let you know that you don't need to feel pressured if you don't feel as though you're ready to take it. If you're ready, I would say go ahead and do it. I am going to let you know for English what I am allowing you to do is that you will have the option to take the exam one time. And then if you fail it or if you don't do so hot, you're going to have the option to retake that exam so that you have two chances on it, basically, is what you're going to have. So I just want to make sure that that was very clear and clarified for everyone. So, really quick one I want to make sure that you're looking at is you have the propaganda extra credit lesson and the semester test. So I've created videos for both of those. So as you go in and you're looking at the lessons and things like that attached to those, just make sure that you're watching the video, that you're looking through all of the review lessons before you attempt them. There's quite a bit here. So just make sure that you're looking through all of that, okay? And remember that this is extra credit. So if you're overwhelmed with everything else you have to do, you don't have to do this, right? This is extra credit. But for those of you who want to get that little grade bump, then this might be something that you're going to be interested in. It is worth 25 points. It is more of a significant project. So the extra credit points are a little bit larger for that. Okay. So the other thing that I want to make sure that you're aware of is that when you're going in to look at that semester exam, that you are also watching the video. There are two review pages, which I'll show you here in just a second, but there are two review pages. So obviously you want to watch the video. These two pages are identical. One's just in a Word document, one's in a Google Doc. So whichever you want to use, there's a review PowerPoint, and then obviously here's the test. So again, I'm just letting you know it's not due until the 20th and it is extended to January 3rd, which is when it will close. And obviously, when it closes, it closes. We can't reopen that, right? So, um, if you have questions, please let me know. Again, there are no Class Connect sessions this week, the 17th through the 20th. And also, I do have open office hours on Monday and Tuesday from 2 to 2:30. So if you have questions, if you need help with something, please let me know. And we definitely can work together on whatever it is that you're needing help on. Okay. So have a fantastic break. Enjoy time with your family, friends, all your loved ones. Eat lots of food, relax, refresh, do whatever you need to make your holiday good for you and good for those that you love. So I will be thinking of you all, and I am also going to enjoy my break with my kids and my husband and my animals and all of my extended family. And I know it'll be crazy, but definitely looking forward to a nice break. So, um, if you need anything, please let me know. Do not be afraid to reach out by phone, email, whatever it is, and we'll get through this last week. All right. Have a good week, everyone. Thanks.